What's up, my hellions? Welcome back to Talking Metal. This fucking episode, we're gonna dive into this punk and crust punk. Don't give me your shit. That punk's not metal. It's all fucking rock and roll. Large thanks to fucking my awesome mate, Tom Foley. Thanks, brother, for this fucking idea. We're gonna take you back. Fucking way back when Hellfrost was fucking yay big. First, the music I grew up with was shit like fucking Mamas and the Papas, fucking Elvis, that kind of shit. When I became a teenager, I don't remember fucking who gave it to me, but got into fucking punk rock. And of course, that was American shit. It was okay. It is what it fucking is. But then somebody gave me a fucking punk rock band called Abrasive Wheels from Europe. They're fucking shit. And dude, from there it was like, whoa, what the fuck is this? Fucking British punk rock. Basically anything that's not fucking American, really. It's fucking really good. It's not poppy fucking bullshit about wanting to fucking, I don't know, get laid, do this, do that. It had a message. It was the real fucking deal that I was looking for then. I mean, I still fucking love it. Absolutely. I'm going to fucking dive in to, oh my God, the list is a million fucking miles long. Seriously. But I'll give you Hellfrost fucking top 5, as I do, fucking diss/crust fucking punk bands that you need to know about. Hail, my friends. Thanks, Tom. Of course, no particular order, as they always fucking go. Coming at number fucking 5, because we're counting down, is fucking Swedish crust fucking punk Anti-Semex. Dude, you want fucking political lyrics with good fucking music that fucking means shit? Dude, I might get copyright striked. I don't care. Fucking let's check this shit out, dude. Here's Anti-Semex, fucking Victims of a Bomb Raid. Check it. Dude, I'm telling you. Oh my God. You fucking heard it? The shit hits fucking hard. It was what I needed at that fucking stage in my life. That really helped me fucking grow into an extreme form of music. Like I said, you got the American punk, and then you got fucking, it felt like everything that was coming at me from across the fucking pond was extreme fucking music. And I needed that. That's what fucking made me who I fucking am today. So, with that, here's your fucking diss punk. Coming to number fucking 4, Discharge with Fight Back. I mean, these motherfuckers have influenced so many fucking thrash bands. Fucking Metallica. Fucking Exodus. Check this shit out. Discharge with Fight Back. See, I fucking told you, shit's fucking awesome. If you're a fucking punk rocker, you like fucking punk, dude, this shit is the extreme that you need to fucking know about. Yeah, this shit is fucking like from the 80s. These boys are still fucking rocking. They're still doing their shit. Fucking mad respect. Hail. Now, history lesson time. When fucking Discharge broke up the first time, you know, fucking bands do, like Kiss. Fucking some of those boys went to a little band called Broken Bones. Dude, now this is, how do I say it? Like, dude, fucking Broken Bones is the epitome of fucking diss punk and metal fucking meeting. Like how fucking Motorhead was the fucking bridge from punk rock to metal. Dude, Broken Bones. That was my fucking bridge. Shit is epic. Here we are, fucking Broken Bones with Decapitated. Check it. Now we fucking come back to America. Of course, America had to have some fucking good fucking bands out there. Some good fucking crust bands. Some good bands that delivered a true fucking message that was important, is fucking important, still to this day. I mean, there are so many honorable fucking mentions. But I remember seeing this band back in the fucking 90s. Obviously, I fucking grew up in fucking Norway, Sweden, Finland, blah, blah, blah. In the 90s, it would have been fucking the original black metal. That would have been fucking cool as shit, right? But no, I grew up in America. I wanted fucking extreme, fucking underground music. It was fucking crust. Here we are with a fucking song by a band called Dystopia. Check this out. Dude, just fucking killer shit, man. I love the aggression, the fucking extreme fucking riffs. Yeah, I mean, it's fucking whatever. It's not for everybody. I don't really fucking care. I'm not here to tell you what to like. I'm here to tell you what I fucking like and expand your fucking mind. It's all about expanding the fucking mind, dude. Let's listen to fucking music we haven't fucking heard before, because we might fucking like it. Check it. All right, my aliens. Fucking leave comments down below. Let me know what fucking disc punk, fucking crust punk, fucking extreme fucking music you're into that I need to fucking know about. I love learning new fucking bands. I love learning about them. I love fucking hearing them. Everybody needs to be heard. You got a message? I want to fucking hear it. Hail. Last but not fucking least, on Hellfrost fucking top 5 disc/crust punk fucking bands, which is almost not fair because our first band, Anti-Semex from Sweden, this is some of those guys in a band called Driller Killer. Yes, named after the fucking 80s horror movie. Hail, my horror fans. Leave a comment if you want to cover some fucking horror movie metal shit. Oh, loving it. But my favorite fucking album by Driller Killer was Fuck the World. Dude. That was the first time I saw that fucking album cover. Let me put my fucking drink down for this. Wait for it. It's a picture of the fucking earth. Nice, beautiful. Fucking Driller Killer in red. And the earth. You'll see a picture. Has his fucking vagina into the earth. Dude, I was like, whoa. What the fuck? Yeah, I realized that, album's called Fuck the World, and you put a picture of earth with the vagina. That's extremely literal. Wow. Wow. Good for you. Way to be extreme. But no. Dude, fucking music is killer. It's Driller Killer. Check it out. Fucking, like I said, millions, thousands, whatever, of honorable fucking mentions. Like down there in fucking Austin, Texas, whole fucking band, World Burns to Death. Dude, you want some good fucking tunes? Some good fucking crust? Check that out, man. Fucking World Burns to Death. That shit's fucking awesome. I mean, there's so... Oh, dude. Fucking band from here called Wolfpack. Fucking awesome shit, dude. Awesome shit. I know later years, more recent years, they went more towards fucking metal. Still fucking great. Still fucking awesome shit. But they're all shit. Dude, once I want to say 96? Maybe it was 90, no, it was 96, 95. I fucking saw Wolfpack in Seattle, Washington. They played, not shitting you, not fucking shitting you, dude. The scene was awesome then. They played in a fucking Chinese restaurant. Like, they moved the fucking tables out of the way and shit. Fucking Wolfpack played there. There's a punk rock band called Blood Clots. More of a street punk band. Fucking phenomenal. The singer, Jack shit. I shit you not. Fucking awesome guy, dude. Man, that was such a good fucking show. I could go on and fucking on about the fucking old shows I've seen, dude. So much good shit. I digress. Hail the top 5. Hail the crust. Hail the disc punk. Hail you, my friends. I fucking love ya. Till next time. Thanks, Tom. Later.